great to be with you. Welcome back. Thank you for spending your journey with me. I'm so thankful for you and appreciate your time. Today, my beautiful friends, I'm here to say that you're a powerful co-creator, and that is something to be very happy about. And you may already be a happy person. I want to talk to you about expanding your happiness set point and ways that you can do that. And I'm referencing that work of Dr. Joseph Murphy and his book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. We all have set points in different areas of our life, and as we continue to expand and grow in our set points, raise that thermostatic setting, move out of the comfort zone, that's where life gets exciting and it's fun. Okay, so Dr. Murphy teaches that through repetition, using your subconscious mind and your focus, you can shift and raise your happiness set point. And he talks about doing this through your habits and your self-talk. And I have a prayer I would love for you to say with me. This affirmation is from his book. So take a breath. Hold it. All right. Divine order takes charge of my life today and every day. This is a wonderful new day for me. There will never be another day like this one. I'm divinely guided all day long, and whatever I do will prosper. Divine love surrounds me, enfolds me, and enwraps me, and I go forth in peace. Whenever my attention wanders away from that which is good, I will bring it back immediately to the contemplation of that which is lovely. I am a spiritual and mental magnet, attracting to myself all things that bless and prosper me. I am a wonderful success in all my undertakings today. I'm going to be happy all day long. And he recommends saying that prayer in the morning when you first wake up, choosing happiness, starting your day, mentioning also that external promotion and conditions do not make or break the happiness set point. And I know that that is something that isn't easily bought into, especially with whatever goes on in life sometimes, but we do have control over our focus. If a fearful or angry thought comes up in your mind, you can say, I affirm peace, harmony, confidence, and poise govern my mind at all times. And you can repeat that to yourself. So believe in your inner power and know that you have the ability to be happy and succeed in whatever it is that you want to accomplish. Happiness comes from understanding the divine order and anchoring that in your subconscious mind. And he summarizes by saying, tell yourself over and over again, I choose happiness today. I choose success today. I choose love all day long. And bring forth the best of yourself, the highest part of you that was created. You and I did not create ourselves. We were created, and that which made us is the highest part of ourselves. And as we bring that forward into our life in the day, we'll find that our happiness set point will rise up. So I hope that you try this out. As the late, great Wayne Dyer said, there is no way to happiness. Happiness is the way. I love you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much for your likes, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a happy day.